Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, Subject Social Studies, Grade 7, Lecture number 31. Chapter number 8, Environment, pages from 40 to 43. Today we will discuss about the pollution and its kind, which we have studied in chapter number 8. So we will revise it. Without a doubt, the greatest problem today is overpopulation, as this spills over into pollution, global warming, and a host of environmental problems. The causes for overpopulation are the improved medical services, which have increased life expectancy. Overpopulation. Overpopulation is a prime cause for environmental pollution. Pollution is a big issue for discussion, not forgetting aural, noise, and visual pollution, as well as the more obvious and dangerous chemical and domestic pollution. Pollution is of many kinds and caused by various agents. Atmospheric, caused by industrial smoke emissions, motor vehicles, exhaust, domestic fires in some regions, thermal power stations. Material pollution, influent from industrial processes polluting water and land. Waste materials, the throwaway society discarding paper, wrapping, household equipment, electrical appliances, tin, etc. Air pollution, constant noise from traffic, aircrafts, industrial processes, music from public addresses system. Visual pollution, unpleasant sights, garbage heaps, ugly buildings, advertising hoardings, cables, etc. are examples of visual pollution. Atmospheric pollution is the most serious as this seems to be changing the Earth's climate by global warming, which will be very serious for all countries. Noxious fumes from vehicles exhaust are dangerous and can cause serious respiratory problems. Material pollution is serious but more localized. Discarded waste leads to vermin infestation, which spread disease. The problem of disposal of dangerous waste needs to be dealt with thoughtfully instead of dumping it into the sea or leaving it exposed. Atmospheric pollution can be dealt with on a global basis. Atmospheric pollution is a major problem and demands a dramatic turnaround in lifestyles. More electricity must be generated from non-polluting sources such as waves, wind, tidal, and hydroelectric power. Vehicles must be non-polluting. Material pollution can be controlled by careful control and disposal of waste. Recycling also helps. The 3R principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We should reduce our use of materials. We should reuse whatever can be reused, such as containers, bottles, the blank side of printed paper, etc. We should recycle items that can be recycled, such as plastic, glass, paper, aluminum cans, to name a few. People in many Western countries have to sort their refuse into tins for recycling, bottles also recycled, scrap materials recycled, and paper made into more paper, so that in the end there is little left but organic waste. Organic waste is any material that is biodegradable and comes from either a plant or an animal, which can be composted. Homework: collect pictures, short news items to make a scrapbook. अहबार या किताब की तराशों का मजमूआ on environmental pollution.